He does.
He's a crying Indian.
Mayan, it looks like a Mayan.
I want to eat it.
Here. Then they put it into the freezer afterwards.
Nah.
Already made it. Dressing.
The part of the menu is there's one of the salads, like a for them with your dressing, the other one with a bit of Caesar. This is one of the cold appetizers, with the fish now, and the other one is shrimp cocktail, as you know from the alternative selection. This is one of the desserts. You have a special baked Alaska, but if you want, you can ask for the menu, and they're gonna offer you one of these is amaretto cake, yeah?
And what is this over here?
Decadence of chocolate, but that's only for today. Doesn't exist in our menu. I don't know why they put it tonight. That's on a 7 days cruise, not on a 5 days show.
So what happens to all the food that people don't eat? You would be very fat if you did that.
Move. Oh, that's cool. Holding up the whole line. Jeebus. The Jeebus.